Dr. Jaffe, what are your thoughts on clove water?
Well, to prepare clove water, and then we'll discuss what benefit it might have, use about 10 to 15 whole organic cloves in 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, and then add the cloves and let the mixture simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This infuses the water with the flavors and beneficial compounds of the cloves. Cool, and take a teaspoon to a tablespoon 3 to 4 times a day. Clove is an important spice in nature's pharmacy and our eating guidelines. Check recipes and blogs at drrusselljaffe.com. Cloves provide flavor and aroma. They have an antioxidant called eugenol that can help bone renewal, infrastructure renewal, digestive health, restorative sleep, oral health, pain relief, and more stable blood sugar. Make clove water at home once in a while. If you take clove water, cloves in water, daily, the body will adapt and metabolically reduce the benefit, metabolize away the benefit. So a wide variety of spices is recommended in a wide variety of ways as part of nature's alkaline way and nature's pharmacy. I'm Dr. J, advocating that you be well and healthy using cloves as part of nature's pharmacy.